Hi there, students. Tenable. Tenable. An adjective. If something is tenable, it's able to be maintained. It's able to be defended. It's able to be justified. So a position that is not tenable, it cannot be justified. Literally, from a military point of view, a position that is not tenable is a place that cannot be held against enemy attack. But we use this tenable metaphorically, something that is you can defend reasonably, you can justify it. It's something that you can defend against criticism. The argument that you made is just not tenable. It doesn't make sense. Yeah? Your position is not tenable. It's not justifiable. It's not arguable. It's not defensible. So you are fighting for justice for poor people, but you are charging a huge amount of money for it. Charging a lot of money for something like that is just not tenable. It's not reasonable. It's not able to be upheld. It's not able to be believed. It's just not logical. It's not justifiable. It's not plausible. It's not sound. Okay, so a scientific theory, if a scientific theory is going to be tenable, you must be able to defend it when somebody tries to refute it, to prove that it is not true. So a theory, an argument, is capable of being justified. It's well-founded. So many people still believe that Darwin's theory of evolution is still not tenable. Yeah, that the only tenable theory is what is said in the Bible. You can also use this word tenable, meaning to be held, able to be held. So a scholarship is tenable for 2 years, or the office of Chancellor is only tenable for 1 year. I don't know how long is the position of President of the United States tenable. I think maybe 3 terms. I'm not sure. Okay, so tenable, an opinion or a position that you can defend successfully. Or you can hold for a particular period of time. Yeah, so the job of professor is tenable, lasts for 3 years. This theory, the theory that the Earth was flat was tenable for many years, but then the theory stopped being tenable when Vasco da Gama sailed around the world. It was Magellan sailed around the world, and clearly the idea that the Earth was flat was no longer tenable. This situation is not tenable. It cannot be endured. It cannot be tolerated. It can't be maintained. So the fact that we need to get this machine repaired every week is not tenable. We need to replace it and get a new solution. So if something's not tenable, you can't maintain it, you can't hold it, you can't keep it. It's not something that can continue. The opposite, obviously, untenable. Something is untenable. Okay, so tenable, reasonable, something that is sound, is sustainable, sustainability. For example, the way that we are living, the way that humans are using energy at the moment is not tenable, and we need to find a different way of living. It's just not sustainable. It's not tenable. It's not something that we can continue doing. We can maintain. So, tenable, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. 6.5. No, I'll give it a 6. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from French, from tenir, but this itself comes from Latin. Tenere, to hold, to have and to hold. So, tenable, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tenable.